Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For today's dinner, I am going to make something just for me because this is pork leg, pork knuckles, pata. In the Philippines, it's called pata, P-A-T-A. But I think they call this pork knuckles, I'm not sure. But this is the pork leg. So I'm going to make something very simple because I am so hungry because I did not eat lunch. So, and I'm only cooking 2 pieces right here, and I boiled this already for the longest time. That's a song. For the longest time. So I boiled it for a long time. So it is really tender. And I am going to cook it in pineapple chunks and a little bit of the pineapple juice. So that's the main ingredients. And then I saved some of the broth from where we boiled the pork. And then I have bay leaves, garlic, onion, and brown sugar, and soy sauce, and our normal seasonings over there. So let's start sauteing, guys, because I'm so hungry. Olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and put both. I can't wait. This is a really quick cooking, guys. And I want a lot of onions. I'm going to put the pork. And the broth. The soy sauce. And the sugar. And also the bay leaves and the pineapple. See guys, I'm in a hurry, huh? I'm going to season it. Lots of pepper. Little bit of salt. Chicken powder. And garlic powder. So I'm going to boil this until the broth is reduces the broth a little bit, so it gets thick. It is done, guys. Let's get our pork because I am so hungry. beautiful. Let us try some. Sauce. Wow, it smells so good. I can smell the brown sugar and the pineapple. I cannot wait. See guys, I think Chris would eat this. He won't just eat the skin or the skin. So he'll just probably eat all the meat part. Me, the first thing I would try is the skin. Let us try, because I am so hungry with my rice. Ooh, man, that's good. It's like slap your mama good. Slap your mama. You see how the broth got really thick? Because we reduced it. And I actually cannot eat without the skin. I like the skin better than the meat. So I add the meat. I add the skin with the meat. Kain tayo guys. I'm starving. I'm gonna try the pineapple. The meat part, guys, is very lean. I think that's why I wanna add the skin. As you can tell, I'm really hungry. The pineapple is good. Wow, that is so good. Guys, I wanna cook this. Sinigang, but I do not have any vegetable for sinigang. So I have brown sugar, I have pineapple, and I said let's cook it that way. See, if you don't have the ingredients, guys, find something else of what you can do. Did I say that this is so good? I'm doing another mukbang. Wow. It's the best. I can taste the soy sauce for saltiness, and then the pineapple, a little sour, and then the brown sugar. So it is perfect combination. So guys, I'm going to eat all of this. More rice, because rice is life when you have this kind of dish. Anyway guys, I'm going to finish my anyway guys, so but yes, I'm going to finish my dinner, and I will see you again on our next video. So guys, if you eat this kind of I always get distracted. I'm saying bye, and then all of a sudden I thought of something else to say. So if you like this kind of meat, the pata or pork leg, pork knuckles. How do you cook them? Because for me, I cook this sinigang or paksiw lechon. Or no, also a kare-kare. So this is really good for kare-kare. Maybe I'll have some kare-kare. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I am going to finish my dinner. See you again later. Bye for now.